Hi guys, and welcome to machine learning. The topic for today is going to be standard deviation. In the first place, what is standard deviation? We can always say standard deviation is a number that describes how spread out values are. We have a low standard deviation, which means that most of the number are close together or close to the average. And we also have high standard deviation. That means the value are spread out over a wide range. So let me show you guys how to put a line of code together for standard deviation. In the first place, you're going to have to import the following. So make sure you have installed your NumPy, and I will then declare my variable. Let's say I'm going to be using speed again, and enter that speed into an array. So let's assume the very first speed is 92. Then we have about 93, 95, 97. Let's correct this. We have 97, and I'm going to go for 98, 99, and maybe one more. Settle for 100. So all these are supposed to be the speed of the 7 cars. Okay, now let's create another variable. I'm going to say q equals numpy dot std. Okay, that is the method. Okay, std stands for standard deviation. That's the method we're using. Then open up your parentheses and just enter the variable speed in there. And for us to find out the standard deviation itself, all we then need to do is to just get it print out, and let's say q equals that. Now I'm going to save this before we can run it. Let's copy that and go to file, save, and right here just call that py underscore standard deviation. There we go. Click on save. Now I'm going to run it and let's see how that's going to. There we go. You can see the result, and as you tell, you can always know that this is a low standard deviation. That means most of the numbers are close to the average. See that, guys? So we can even find out to be sure that the numbers are very close to the average. So let's say we work out the average. I'm just going to copy all of this just to prove to you that it's close to the average. Paste that in there. And the average formula is main. Now I'm going to change this to t. Here to t. This is for the average. Just want to prove that this value here, or these values that we have in there, are close to the average. So I'm going to run it. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. 96.2 and so on. Look at it. Okay. Those numbers are very close to the average. So, like I said, this is a low standard deviation, okay, which means it's very close to the average. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you all have a nice day now, and bye for now.